Square root of x plus x minus 64 under square root is equal to 16. We have to find the value of x where x is a positive integer. So, how to solve this? So, in the left hand side we have square roots. To remove the square root, what we can do is we can square both the sides. So, squaring both the sides, this will be x under square root plus x minus 64 under square root, then whole square plus is equal to 16 square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. If we consider x as a and x minus 64 as b, then a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as square root of x square plus 2 times square root of x times square root of x minus 64 plus x minus 64 under square root whole square is equal to 16 square is 256. Now we can remove this square root with this square. So this is x plus this we can write it as 2 times x multiplied to x minus 64 under square root plus again this square root gets cancelled with this square, x minus 64 is equal to 256. X plus x is 2x plus 2, x times x minus 64 will be x square minus 64x, and we can send this 64 to the right hand side, or we can add 64 to the left hand side, and to balance the equation we do the same thing on the right hand side. So this 64 and 64 gets cancelled. We can take here 2 as common. So 2 bracket x plus x square minus 64x under square root is equal to 320. Let's divide both the sides by 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. This is 2 times 160 is 320. Now we have x plus x square minus 64x under square root is equal to 160. Let's subtract x from both the sides. So this will be x plus square root of x square minus 64x under square root minus x is equal to 160 minus x. So this x and this x gets cancelled. Now we have x square minus 64x under square root is equal to 160 minus x. To remove this square root, let's square both the sides. Squaring both the sides will remove this square root. So now we have x square minus 64x is equal to 160 minus x square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, and the formula is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. This x square and this x square gets cancelled, because if you send this to left hand side, then it will be minus x square. Now we have minus 64x. This is 2 times 16. 2 times 160x will be 320x. This is negative 320x. So if you send it to left hand side, it will be positive 320x is equal to 160 square, or we can write it 160 times 160. 320 minus 64 will be 256. X is equal to 160 times 160. Now let's divide both the side by 256. So this 256 gets cancelled. 256 we can write it as 16 times 16. 16 square is 256. So 16 times 10 is 160. 16 times 10 is 160. X is equal to 10 times 10 is 100. This is our answer. A nice question. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.